In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a product from a collection on Shopify. Whether you're updating your store or simply organizing your products, managing your collections efficiently is essential for a smooth shopping experience. So let's dive into the process and walk through each step together. First, let's start by navigating to the Products section within your Shopify admin. To do that, log into your Shopify account and, once you're on the home page, locate the menu on the left side of your screen. Among the various tabs, you should see Products Listed. Click on it, and this will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products currently in your store. The Products section is essentially the heart of your inventory management where you can view, edit, and add new products whenever you need to. From here, you'll want to find your way to Collections. Collections in Shopify are groups of products that you can create based on categories, types, or any other organizational criteria that fit your needs. On the same menu where you found Products, you should notice an option for Collections. Select it, which brings up a list of all your collections currently set up in your store. Now that you're in the Collections section, your task is to locate the specific collection from which you wish to remove a product. Click on the collection name to open up its settings. Once inside the collection, zoom in on the particular product you're looking to remove. You'll find that each product in the collection has a small checkbox beside it. Take a moment to carefully tick the box next to the product you wish to eliminate. Keep in mind that ticking this box does not immediately remove the product, so you have the opportunity to double-check your selection. With the product selected, direct your attention to the upper corners of the screen, where you should find an icon represented by 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as an ellipsis. This symbol indicates an additional options menu. Click on the ellipsis and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for and select the option that says Delete from Collection or something similar. Selecting this will prompt a confirmation message asking you to verify your choice. It's a good precautionary measure to prevent accidental deletions. Once you're sure about your action, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a product from a collection on your Shopify store. Doing so helps keep your collections relevant and organized, thereby improving your site's navigation and your customers' browsing experience. As we've seen today, managing your Shopify collections is a straightforward process when you know where to go and what to look for. By keeping your product collections well organized, you maintain a professional store appearance and ensure an enjoyable shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and feel free to stick around for more tips and tricks to optimize your Shopify store.